What's up YouTube? Welcome to the Mechanical Garden. Today's video is sponsored by Inkbird. Inkbird has sent me a couple of their products and asked for my honest opinion. Today's video I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Inkbird wall plug WP-01. Please check out my other videos for more Inkbird product reviews. We got this package from Inkbird. I'm pretty excited. Let's open it up, see what we got inside. This is the Wi-Fi Smart Mini Plug. So I'm pretty excited to use this. I might hook up some fans or maybe like a humidifier. I've always wanted to have one of these. Little wall outlet plug controlled by my phone, basically, over Wi-Fi. Looks pretty well made, nice and small. It's the WP-01, model number INK WP-01. So that'll be pretty cool. Can't wait to try that out. Other than being an on-off switch, the app also has a timer and a countdown feature. The countdown is pretty cool. You can click on that, select the amount of hours or minutes you'd like, click confirm, and select whether the device turns itself on or turns itself off. The app also has timers you can set on different schedules to come on whatever time you'd like, whatever frequency you would like, whatever day of the week you want, and you can set it to turn the device on or turn the device off. So this could be used for all kinds of things. You could use it to turn on a coffee maker. You can use it to turn on some fans, a humidifier, some lights, whatever you want to do. Right now I am using the app to control the lights in my humidity dome. So I currently have them on a timer. Lights turn on every day, 5 a.m. They shut off every night at 11 o'clock at night. Another cool feature about this app is you can go in and you can change the name of your device. So in my particular case, I'm going to call it My Humidity Dome Lights. So because this was a sponsored video from Inkbird, I've been asked to give an honest review. And in my honest opinion, this thing rocks. 5 stars all the way around. It works really good, it's reliable, easy to install, easy to use, and highly recommended. That's it for this video. I'd like to give a big shout out to Inkbird. Thank you guys so much for sending the stuff out. Make sure to check them out on Instagram at Inkbird Canada and Inkbird US. Also, don't forget to check out my other Inkbird product reviews. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a like or a comment. And if you have not already done so, please subscribe. Thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.